Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello everyone, you are welcome back to this class. So in this class, we are going to be teaching you how to create high converting landing pages. Alright, so if you have a business, you don't have enough money to employ a web designer to design a website for you, I'm going to be showing you a quick way you will be able to create your own landing page free of charge without making payment for it. So I'll just head over to my website. So we have what we call Carrd.io. Alright, so go over to your browser. If you have laptop, you can use your laptop browser. If you don't have, you can do that on your phone. Just go over to your browser and type this thing out, carrd.co. Alright, and create an account. So once you create an account, you will see your dashboard like this. Now the reason why I have some things on my dashboard is because I already created two landing page. So I'll just go ahead and show you what they look like. So I'm going to click on this. Alright, so as you can see, this is the desktop version. This is a landing page I created for a TikTok ad. So in order to show you the phone version of it, you see this is the phone version. Alright, I'm currently on the desktop version, so I'm going to click on this to get me my phone version. I'll click on that. Alright, you can see finally exposed. So this is the phone version. This is how it's going to look like in your phone. So if you enter this our URL now to this landing page, it's going to take you to this place. Now this is the URL. So the only difference between landing page is that we are not going to have your business URL. Alright, hence is a landing page. That's the difference between landing page and website. So the important thing is that you have a place to take people to, and from there they can see the business that you are doing and the list of services that you render. From there you can either put a WhatsApp link or anything that can make them to DM you on WhatsApp. So that's the purpose of landing page. While website might be a professional method, so you can see it says join free class. While website might be a professional method of doing things, it is cost effective and takes time to create. But this is a landing page and it's free of charge to create. So if you click on this join free training, it's going to send you direct to the free group where I was holding this particular class. So you can see this is a master class and it was TikTok advertising. Alright, so I'll just go back. So like I said, if you are creating your account for the first time, if you get to this place, you are going to see empty. Here is going to be empty. So I currently have two websites built here. That's why these two are currently here. So if you want to create your own, so you will see what they call my site. This button you are seeing here, this new site. I'm going to click on it. Alright, you can see say choose a starting point. Okay, we have different profile. I'll just come to all. I don't want to group them into different. You see, we have portfolio. So there are different things you can create here. We have profile. I want to create profile page. You can create that. That is showing your profile and things that you do. This is a landing page. Landing page for business. That's what we are going to be creating. Landing page where it encompasses everything about your business and anything that they got to know about you. Alright, this is a form in case you want to take form for people so that they can fill a form. There you have portfolio. If you want to put your portfolio to know more about your business, sectioned. So all these are what Carrd.io offer for free. Alright, you don't have to pay for it, free of charge. So we're just going to, without further ado, we're just going to go straight to the point and teach you how you are going to go about it. Alright, so this is a blank page. It's not advisable to come here, because if you want to select a blank page, means that you want to create everything from scratch. Well, Carrd.io provide a lot of features. Alright, there's a lot of things that you can do here. So you don't need to look for a particular demo. Alright, once you come close, it tell you select demo. So if you select, it means that you want to customize that particular page. You just need to pick a demo. These are templates that you can see. You need to look for the one that resonates with the kind of business that you want to do, the kind of your business. All right, so just scroll down. So you can see we have so many of them. I just need a simple one for this class sake. All right, okay, this look very simple. I'll come here and click on demo to preview. Okay, so as you can see, this is the desktop view. So this is the page. So if somebody enter your landing page like this, it's going to be direct to what you are doing. It's going to be direct to the kind of business. As you can see, there are different kind of templates. So I just picked this particular one because it's very, very simple and I like the view. Also, you can see that this is a desktop version and then we have the phone version here. As you can see, this is a desktop version. Then this is the phone version. We are currently on the desktop version, so I'm going to click on the phone version to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like on your phone. So once you are done creating this thing, it's going to look like this on our phone. So it's straightforward to the point. So people don't really have time to spend. So once they enter your page, they want to see what you do, and there's a button around that they can click to access you. They want to go ahead and click that button. Alright, so what you're going to do, we're just going to click select. Select means that you want to make use of this template, but for easy access, so that I will not confuse you, let me just go back and redo it again from the beginning so that you understand. Alright, so I'll just come here and click on select. So once you scroll down and you see anyone that you like, you click on, first of all, demo to preview it. Demo means that you have not selected it, but you are trying to preview to see if it resonates with your kind of business. So I'm going to click on select. Alright, so as you can see, this is where you put your image. So once you click on anything here on your right hand bar, you see that you can come here and edit it. I can come here and just remove this. I just want only that engineer to be there. You can see anything you do. Let me put a name here. Alright, you can see the name is already here. You can decide to change this color to any color of your choice. Alright, you can pick any color of your choice. Alright, so it's very easy. Over here, you can just come here and copy and paste any of your write-up here. So this is a test. For this text sake, we don't really have enough write-up that we're going to make use of. I think I'll just go to any website and copy something from that site. Alright, I was just looking for something to copy. Alright, so I will just come here. Copy anything. So I'll just come here and paste it here. Alright, you see. So for this image, you can just click. Once you click on it, you check your right hand side. Alright, once you click on it, it will show you all the edits that you need. Alright, you can just go ahead and edit it. And mind you, we are using a desktop version, so we can actually convert it to your phone version. You see it here. If you're using your phone, it's going to show you like this. Alright, so on your phone, it's going to This is going to be your sidebar. So once you click on your image, it's going to pop up. Alright, so for those that don't have laptop, you can, it's very mobile friendly, so you can actually use your phone to create this thing. So I'll just go back to my laptop desktop version, click on image. I'll try to see if I can get any image that can fit into the size. Go to download. Let me just make use of this image for this purpose. Image too large. Okay, image cannot exceed 20 MB. Now take note. So just go ahead and look for any image that you can use. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and crop this. You can see they give you, so after cropping, you see accept. So either you want to cancel it, that means you're not okay with the cropping, you want to make changes of the image, or you want to go ahead and accept what you have already cropped. So I think I'm okay with this. I'm just going to go there and click on accept. As you can see. Alright, so you need to have a very nice high quality image that you can put there. So this particular page might be too simple for you, so that's why we have hundreds of templates. You can just go ahead and pick anyone you want. So I can come here and click on this image. This is the button. Alright, I will come here and edit it. Maybe I will say join now. So I can just come here and say join now. Alright, you can see this arrow button. You can edit the part. This is URL. Alright, in case you want to, so over here you can just add, you can copy your WhatsApp link and paste it here. So this URL, you're going to take them, this URL is going to take them to whatsoever link you want to take them to. You can copy your WhatsApp link and put here. So when they click on the button, it's going to send them to your WhatsApp, or you have any URL, or there's maybe you are selling something or seller. Alright, you want to create a part whereby they can just come here and click on the link that will send them to where they can buy it. You can also use the page for affiliates. Alright, so if they want to buy anything from you, they can click on this link, or you can say buy now. So anything you want to do with it, you can go ahead and pick on color. Background is none. I will just come here and maybe use, alright, color. This is hover. If you want like this, if you want your mouse to be changing color, you can come here and change that. This is gradient. The label, there's no label icon. You want to change the icon color, or you can make it white. So as you can see, you can literally do anything you want to do with these parts. Alright, once you are done, you click on done. So once you are done, you come here and click on done, and then you can come to your right hand bar and go ahead and click on publish. Here is the publish button. Once you do that, whatsoever you designed will be published. So I will go ahead and, so I don't want to publish this because this is a test purpose. Alright, so this is how you create your landing page. Once you do this, if you go to your dashboard, you will see that your design is already there. So this is how you create your landing page. I will see you in my next class.